Shamshavish, 498 section of the Indian Penal Code, does address the dowry issue, but it has been subject to a lot of misinterpretations and misuse as well. How could that be transformed and, made to work for the welfare of women who are trapped in this kind of a scenario?
People, as the previous speaker said, I would totally agree to it that dowry. They say that dowry is something that they have been asking. No, it is. What do you want to give to your daughter? It's for your own daughter's comfort, and not only that. There is we have this khandan hai hamara. You have to give them gifts. You have to give a gift to the father-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, all the in-laws. These all are also called the dowry. But whereas the court and the family doesn't recognize at times that it is not a dowry, it is just a gift. So let us start here that if in case everyone wants something to be changed, it you have to change the mindset. When a pratha like sati can be changed, wherein a living human being was actually burnt in the agni with her husband, dead husband, that changed because there was a involved. But this is not changing because here the biggest enemy is here, that is money. So where there is a money, no one wants to change. Everyone says, "Arey chalega." They have changed the name of it, but the money part, but the dowry part is still there. The terms have been changed from dowry to gifts. But in order to understand this 498, everyone says ki this is a false case, that they have laws, and even the courts have also put these sections, domestic violence and dowry, these sections into a family dispute. So when you call it a family dispute, so when someone goes to the police station also, इवन दे ऑल्सो द पुलिस इज, अरे ये तो फैमिली का ही झगड़ा है, अरे मैडम बाद में आना, ये तो छोटा सा थप्पड़ ही तो था, हर फैमिली में तो थप्पड़ होता ही है मैडम, ये तो छोटी सी चीज है. Unless and until something major comes up wherein she was brutally beaten up, or a major thing happened, till then the police is quiet because it is there now in their mind कि ये तो family dispute है. So because of that now, even the men also, since I have been dealing with such kind of matters from a very long time, so I could easily say that the men come and they say कि मैडम कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, हमने हमारे बीच में कुछ भी नहीं था, ये तो झूठ बोल रही है. So as the previous speaker said that yes, that's true. Out of 100 cases, it's only 6 who might be false case, but rest 94 cases are all right. Everyone says, every lady in whatever class you are of, they have been mistreated in the name of marriage. They have been beaten. They have been asked for a dowry. So I had a matter wherein the client was from a very rich background, and they were asked to gift for your own daughter. So get a Mercedes, and शादी होगी तो हमें diamond ring इतना बड़ा वाला चाहिए. So these all things keep on happening, but then as we talk about कि education होगा तो ये सब change हो जाएगा. No, education से it's not changing. Even the demand has been increased from a MBA graduate, from a director of a company. They also come and say, यार हमारी शादी, we have to give these gifts. और वो gifts क्या है? The biggest marriage that they can, the biggest diamond that they give, that the biggest car that they can. So all of these are dowry, and no one is ready to change. Starting from the smallest gaon to the eldest, everyone are same, and no one is changing their mindset. So ये laws आते जाते रहेंगे, but unless and until you and us change our mind, come to this point कि no matter what it is, एक simple सा शादी का जोड़ा, and we are done. We are not going to give gifts also. शादी भी not that grand, a normal simple सा function, diamond as per my own capacity, my own a simple gold ring band. Unless and until you start changing it, things will never change, because terms change हो रहे, but the thing is right there. It is still dowry. Thank you.